Hey guys, how are you? Welcome to Couponing. This is Splint Rose. Hope you're doing well. I'm doing pretty good. Today I went out to Dollar General. Actually, I was just going to see if I could get some of the clearance items. Everybody's talking about clearance items, but I tell you something. Every time I go to my store, I really can't find them. And I looked and looked. I looked all around. One young lady was talking about clearance items that were there on toys. She said, look for I think it was the red dot. I tell you, I didn't find any of them anywhere. But on my way finishing up at the cash register, I saw over on the side they had like a shelf that had about 3 layers on it, and they had some items there, but they were marked 50%. And so I said, look, let me try to get something. I came all the way over here, and then I'm not going to get anything. So I remembered that I had the Febreze coupons, the ones that we got out of last month's P&G. And they were, you buy one, you get one free. So the get one free was worth $5. So anyway, I bought, and then I saw a coupon in the in their advertisement that said when you buy $12 worth of Febreze, you automatically get $2 off. So I bought 2 of these. I bought these 2. I bought one, I got one free. Then I bought 2 more. So altogether, this was $20 because you know these are $5 a piece. So they were $20, but then $10 came off because $10 came off because I had the coupon, and so because I got over $20, it took off $2. Okay, so but I'm gonna tell you what it cost me in a minute. And then I saw this Eucerin lotion because I had $2 off coupons. This was the Eucerin lotion was $4.50. I had a $2 off coupon, so I got each one for $2.50. So that's another $5, right? Because you figure $2.50 and $2.50, they were normally $4.50, but I got these for $2.50. Anyway, you understand why? Because I had the $2 off coupons. Well, anyway, I ended up paying $8 for all of this stuff, for all of this. And I think that, let me stop before I break it. I think that was a great deal for this because I bought one at $5. I got one at for $5 free. Bought one at $5. I got the other one free. All right. So that's $20 in and of itself. Or if you want to take the 2 $5 coupons off, that's $10. And then this would have been 10 for another 5 would have been 15, but I ended up paying $8 before tax, and then I got a 5 off 25. And I thought I brought the advertisement paper with me, but I guess they must have kept it because I don't see it here. But anyway, so I got this 5 off 25 that I can use tomorrow only. So I'm going to go on the digital and put some coupons there so I can use this 5 off 25. All right, I might buy some more of these. I might buy more of these because this is a really good deal. I might buy more of those. I don't know. I will see. All right, guys. Thank you for joining me. Remember, have fun shopping. Don't forget to subscribe. Thumbs up the video. Press that notification button. And, I'm sorry. I will see you in the next transaction. All right, guys. Thank you. Love you much. Bye-bye.